This 50-cent plastic tube is doing more physics than your $2,000 laptop, and you're using it to draw stick figures. Let's dissect the miracle. First, the titanium ball bearing. It's not just rolling, it's pivoting. That means it handles multi-axis shear stress while acting as a dynamic seal. Your phone hinge snaps if you look at it wrong. This thing survives a coffee table drop with zero latency. Now the ink. It's not water-based. It's a grease-thickened polymer that exhibits shear thinning. You press down, viscosity drops. You lift up, it instantly gels. That's non-Newtonian fluid dynamics on a microscale. Your highlighter just bleeds through the page like a structural failure. How does it feed the ball without flooding? Capillary action. The ink sits in a precision-machined bore. Surface tension pulls it forward only when the ball moves. No pumps, no sensors, just pure fluid mechanics. Fountain pen users call this maintenance. I call it a skill issue. The barrel isn't just plastic. It's injection-molded ABS with optimized wall thickness. The clip, a cantilever beam designed for elastic deformation. It clips to your shirt, survives the dryer, and laughs at fatigue failure. Apple would charge you $80 for this geometry. Let's address the elephant in the room. Fountain pens. You need ink cartridges. You need cleaning solutions. You need to actually hold the pen at a specific angle or it leaks. That's not elegance. That's weak design choices. This ballpoint just works. Highlighters, please. Solvent-based ink evaporates in 72 hours. The felt tip frays after 3 uses. You're holding a chemical hazard that dries out if you look at it wrong. Meanwhile, this pen survives a drawer for 2,000 days. That's reliability engineering. Enter tribology. The ball rotates in a grease matrix that reduces kinetic friction to near zero. It's self-lubricating. No external coolant, no thermal throttling. It just writes. For decades, without a single firmware update breaking your handwriting. But wait, what about ink consistency across temperatures? Thermal expansion changes viscosity. The engineers solved it by tuning the polymer chain length. Solved that. Now the ball wears down. They solved it by using tungsten carbide. Solved that. The capillary flow rate, tuned it. It's a closed loop of perfect engineering. Laszlo Biro patented this in 1936. He was a newspaper editor who hated fountain pen leaks. He didn't invent a toy. He engineered a mass-producible miracle, and we've been using the exact same physics since. That's not stagnation. That's peak optimization. Yeah, I know what you're typing in the comments. But the line thickness, but the ink color, skill issue. You want variable output by a stylus. You want consistent, universal, zero-maintenance writing. This is the final boss of analog tools. Fight me. Next time you grab a 50-cent tube to sign a receipt or doodle a spaceship, remember, you're holding a masterpiece of over-engineering. It beats your phone. It beats your laptop. It just writes. And honestly, that's enough. Drop your pen wars in the comments. I dare you.